Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks for joining me here today. Mother's Day is coming up, so I thought I would make some beauty products using up empty glass bottles that I had in the house from previous products and also using ingredients that I could find in glass and paper, just so to make it easier for you to keep your waste really low. Let's start with a lip scrub. Now the weather is super cold and lips can get really dry, so this is a really gentle exfoliant that will take off all the dead skin cells on your lips and leave them lovely and smooth. For this, you need some olive oil, and into that add some sugar. Now sugar is really easy to get in packaging that is paper, and olive oil you can get in glass bottles. Give it a little mix and add about 2 drops of lemon oil. Now lemon oil, according to FDA, it is approved that you can actually ingest it, so it is safe to put on your lips. Get a little jar. This is an old little jam jar that I got in a cafe, and there you go. This is a really nice scrub with all this dry cold weather outside. This will really nourish your mother's lips. Next is some body oil. Now, body oil is one of those things that's super expensive in the shops. I'm going to show you a much cheaper version. And for this, you're going to need some oil, of course. I like to use sesame oil. It is really good for your skin and it is much cheaper than other oils out there. Put some sesame oil into a bowl, and into that add some jojoba oil, or if you haven't got that, you could use some argan oil. These are really easy to get in glass bottles. They're very luxurious oils, a little bit pricier, so just use about a tablespoon of them. Next, to make it smell beautiful, add some nice sweet oils. I like to add lavender. Next, you can add some geranium oil. Again, beautiful floral oil, really feminine. And last but not least, some rose oil. Now, if you don't have rose oil, you can add other oils like lang lang or jasmine. These are all beautiful floral oils that go really nicely together. Give it a little mix to make all the oils mix in and pop it into a bottle. This took me a while. Note to self, get a funnel and decorate with just some burlap, which is from a potato sack, and some twine. Really simple and really low waste. Next is a body scrub. Again, in the springtime, scrub off all those dead cells from winter. For this recipe, you'll need some salt. Now, whichever salt you can get in paper or glass packaging, just go for that, or whatever you have in the house at the time. Into the salt, add some vanilla extract. Give it a little mix. Next, add some cinnamon. Add some clove oil. Give it a little mix. Clove oil is naturally anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiviral. Next, add the oil. You can use olive oil or sesame oil, whatever you have in the house will do. Mix it all together. Get yourself a jar. I'm just reusing an old jar. Make sure with all these jars that you sterilize them first, and for sterilizing, just put them in boiling water for over 15 minutes. I keep my scrubs in the fridge because you only need to use a body scrub about once a week. There you have it, a really nice body scrub that smells absolutely divine. And if your mom likes different oils, well then just change about. It's not really fussy. Again, a little bit of burlap and some twine does absolutely fine. Keep it really nice and simple. A nice little thing for tags, just get old birthday cards, and on the side that isn't written on, just cut it out and reuse it as little tags. Just a really nice way of recycling. That is the 3 gift ideas. These smell absolutely beautiful. Mix and match the oils that you want to use. Leave any comment down below if you have any questions about different oils. It's a really nice gift to give, and what's great about beauty products is if you've any leftover jars for buying different oils for yourself, it's really nice to reuse the jars as gifts for other people. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And remember to head over to Instagram and say hi to me over there. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me any comments down below. I'd love to know what gifts you like giving. See you next week. Bye for now.